My constituency, Anambra South Senatorial District, know who I am. The administration led by Professor Soludo, CFR, Oluwatoegu, they also know who I am. And I had come out clearly to say that I want to provide authentic and impactful representation to the good people of Anambra South Senatorial constituency. You see, I come from an area where you had dense population of businessmen and women. And as you know, businessmen always move up and down. And they have special needs. Having reached at the top of corporate leadership and also gone down to lead my community as a President General, I am in touch with the needs of the people, particularly the people of my constituency. So I plan to work very closely with my colleagues in the National Assembly, in the senatorial zone. All the House of Rep members, about 4 of them, across party, will come together and we look at critically all the issues that have not been touched, and we resolve it for the people of Anambra South. My promise is that they will feel well represented this time around, very well represented. And we want to be able to separate representation from philanthropy. Because what normally happens is that because of poverty in the land, representatives are measured by how much they give out. That will happen normally. But it is the impact that representation brings to the people that is most important. How does it affect education? How does it affect health? Anambra South is like the erosion capital of Nigeria. So ecologically, I want to attract both international and local environmentalists to come and take a look at some of those degradations that are happening. We also need to change our habits because our forefathers lived in these lands without much problem. But when we came up, some of the things that they used to hedge some of those ecological challenges, we removed them. So our lifestyle and the way we do things will have to change if we are going to preserve nature and live in harmony with nature. Thank you. That's okay? Thank you.